Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're someone who's looking to level up your oral care routine, this might just be the game changer you've been waiting for. Today, we're talking about the Oral-B 7500 Electric Toothbrush, a device that promises healthier gums, stronger teeth, and an enhanced brushing experience. It's not just a toothbrush, but a whole upgrade to your daily dental regimen. So, let's see if it lives up to the hype. The Oral-B 7500 comes with a sleek black design and includes not only the brush itself, but also replacement brush heads and a handy travel case. It's equipped with 360 SmartRing LED lights that you can customize based on your preferences, allowing you to personalize your brushing experience right down to the finest detail. But does it really deliver on its promises? Let's dive in and find out. The 3D cleaning action is one of the standout features here. It combines oscillation, rotation, and pulsation to help break up and remove plaque more effectively than your standard toothbrush. From my experience, the action is powerful, but it's surprisingly gentle on the gums. It's also great at reaching those tricky areas, like the back molars, which can be a real challenge with manual brushing. Another feature that really caught my attention is the 5 modes that this toothbrush offers. You've got Daily Clean, Gum Care, Sensitive, Whitening, and Pro Clean. I've used the sensitive mode, and it does an excellent job of providing a gentle yet thorough clean, perfect for anyone with sensitive gums or teeth. On the flip side, the Pro Clean mode is intense, perfect for days when you want a more aggressive cleaning session, especially after a rich meal or a busy day. In terms of usability, the in-handle timer is a practical addition. Every 30 seconds, it pulses to remind you to switch areas of your mouth. This ensures that you're giving equal attention to every quadrant, and in turn, it makes brushing feel more methodical. It really helps develop a more consistent brushing routine. The timer also reinforces the habit of brushing for the full 2 minutes, which is important for maintaining long-term oral health. As for the build quality, this toothbrush is definitely solid. The rechargeable handle feels durable, and I appreciate that it's lightweight, so it's comfortable to hold even for longer brushing sessions. The travel case is a nice touch too, keeping everything organized and protected when you're on the go. Now let's talk value for money. At first glance, it might seem like a hefty investment compared to manual toothbrushes, but considering the advanced technology and features like the programmable 360 SmartRing, multiple modes, and the built-in timer, I think it's worth the price for anyone serious about their oral care. The added benefit of Amazon Dash Replenishment, which automatically orders replacement brush heads when you're running low, is a thoughtful touch that ensures you never forget to restock. However, there are other electric toothbrushes out there with similar features at a lower price point. For example, the Philips Sonicare Protective Clean offers a comparable clean and has a smart timer as well, though it may lack the customizable LED lights of the Oral-B 7500. It could be a good alternative if you're looking for a more budget-friendly option. In terms of longevity, the Oral-B 7500 holds up quite well. The battery life lasts for up to 10 days on a single charge, which is ideal for travel or if you don't want to worry about recharging it every few days. Over time, the brush head replacement system is something to keep an eye on, but the Dash replenishment feature makes that process seamless. I haven't had to contact customer support directly, but Oral-B has a reputation for providing reliable service if any issues arise. Given their established presence in the market, it's safe to assume they would respond quickly to any queries. To wrap up, the Oral-B 7500 electric toothbrush is an excellent option for those looking to invest in a high-quality electric toothbrush. It combines advanced features like the 3D cleaning action, multiple modes, and helpful reminders with the convenience of automatic brush head refills. It's well-suited for anyone who wants a personalized and effective cleaning experience. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so other beauty lovers and oral care enthusiasts can find this video too. Your support helps us keep bringing you honest, in-depth reviews like this one. Thanks so much for watching. If you've used the Oral-B 7500, drop a comment below and share your thoughts with us. We'd love to hear about your experience. Until next time, stay beautiful, inside and out.